Welcome to Gilroy Library's Mechanic Station. I'm going to explain how to use each tool properly in a quick little video. This is a pump that'll work on both type of bicycle valves. The instructions are right here how to make it not leak air. You unlock the head by leaving it down, lock it by opening it up, pump it to the pressure that's on the outside of your tire of your bicycle. This is a stand that you can take and hang your bike up in and grab the tool that you're going to need. I'm going to go through the tools descriptions. This is a tire lever to change your tire, an inner tube if you have a flat. This is a headset wrench and a pedal wrench. Both of these tools are common on a lot of parts on bicycles. You have two types of screwdrivers, a flathead and a Phillips. Here's another multi-wrench that has metric sizes on it. All bicycles are metric. This says 9 and 11. If it fits on the nut, it'll work. This is also a really cool tool that has a lot of universal options to fix a lot of different parts on a bike. It's an Allen tool. Good luck.
Thank you.